What's going on, guys? This is Zach's Pyrotechnics. Welcome. Tonight we're doing an unboxing. I bought this assortment at Pro Fireworks. I live in West Michigan. This is a fireworks store that has several locations here in Michigan. Petoskey, Traverse City, Howell, Lowell. And just type in Pro Fireworks and Google search it. You can go to their website and type in, all the locations will show up. They have several locations: Grand Rapids, Holland. So this firework assortment is still on sale. It goes for I think $1.99 regularly, and I got it for $76 out the door. It was on sale for $68, but after taxes, out the door, 76 bucks. So it's packaged 110, so you get 10 200-gram cakes in here. These are all 200-gram cakes, and we're gonna just show you the box. You got the 1.44 logo there. Handle with care, keep out away from fire. Open this end up. I already opened it. So this is what you get. The box is completely, I can fit my hand right there, but you can't put another firework in there. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get 10 200-gram cakes for under $80. I thought that was a steal. And we'll just take them out and show them to you. I'll set it right there. So you get a 7-shot Get Some by Pro Fireworks. Performance is red with white strobe there. A Rebel Yell, 12 shots. Performance is red with white strobes. So that's 19 shots right there, I think, right? Yes, 19 shots. This is a 12 shots. This is the only other brand that's in there besides Pro Firework line. This is Black Diamond. It's another line they carry. It's pretty good. I haven't done this one, but I've done fireworks by Black Diamond. This is 12 shots. Performance. So you got white strobe, mine to red with white strobe, mine to green with white strobe, mine to blue with white strobes. So you get 12 shots. That's 24 plus 7. What was that, 31? 31 shots there. Sellout by Pro Fireworks, 20 shots. And performance, silver wave with red, silver wave with green, silver wave with blue, silver wave with purple. They got 20 shots. So what did we say, 31 shots there? So you got 20 shots, so that'd be 51 shots. And then you got the Rock, 16-shot cake, 200-gram. Performance is red, green, peony, and gold strobe, gold willow, and blue stars, and crackle with a 3-shot finale. So you get another 16 shots there. These are all 200-gram. You get 25 shots here. So performance, this is Bad Habit. Performance is red with Time Rain, green with Time Rain, and crackling Tiger Tail. So there's another 25 shots there. Green Light, this is a 7-shot cake. Performance, Sea Blue and White Strobe. This one is Fireball, 200 grams, 7 shots. Performance is orange and purple silver wave with crackle. This one's called Hypnotize. It's another 7-shot cake. Performance is green and gold strobe Thai silver cherry. And the last cake is called Rockstar. Performance is blue and orange, white strobe, and crackle. So I thought this was a good deal. You get 10 200-gram cakes for under 80 bucks out the door, $76. Yeah, I just thought it was a good deal. We'll see. Gonna be lighting most of the stuff off for the 4th of July, and hopefully we get some more rain. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you again on 4th of July.